The next features I want to tell you about is the survey and formative testing. First of all, I want to explain some possibilities how to use it, and later on I'll show you how to do that within Sendsteps. The survey, obviously, we all know. One thing makes a big difference with a traditional survey, I think, and that is that after an interactive Sendsteps session, you can ask people right away to fill in the survey on their mobile. Instead of sending out a survey a day later and people forget to fill it in or they don't want to fill it in anymore, you get direct responses right away. And that really helps. The response rates will increase significantly. The survey you can use for a normal opinion survey, but also is the Sendsteps survey used a lot for rating. Rating of teachers, rating of course leaders, rating of certain specific topics, all that kind of stuff. It's something which, I would say is used pretty much. And of course you can ask people to give input up front. So send out the survey link a day or a few days before the session, ask people what they want to know during the session, and your presenter can interact on that directly in the meeting. And that will be very valuable for the session itself. Formative testing is used a lot in a teaching, learning environment. It will not only allow you to test if the knowledge is there, but also if people fill in an answer which is wrong, you can explain why it is wrong and what the correct answer should be. In this way, people can learn from the testing. I'll show you how you can do that in Sendsteps. Please go to web.sendsteps.com, and that gives you an overview of the complete Sendsteps environment. And if you go here on the left side, you see the survey possibility. With this, you can make your own survey. Go to create survey, give it a name, and create. And then you can type a question and have a look what kind of question you want. A text or a multiple choice. Do you want a scaling question? You can choose over here and build your survey in this way. If you go for a multiple choice question and you say answer A, pick the right answer, and then it allows you to give additional information. And explain why the answer is correct or incorrect. In this way, you can create the formative test. So, I hope this helps and it gives you a good way of testing.